In the bustling streets of San Francisco in 2008, three friends found themselves confronted with a common challenge: the struggle to afford their apartment rent. Brian Chesky, Joe Gebbia, and Nathan Blekerczyk knew they had to think outside the box to make things happen in the costs. Welcome to The Truth Explained, the #1 channel on YouTube that reveals the truth, deepest secrets, and inform you about the most important things you must know. In today's video, we will take you with us to the inspiring and starting story of the million company Airbnb. Let's continue the story. The breakthrough came during a design conference when the city faced a severe shortage of hotel rooms. Sensing an opportunity, the trio embarked on an audacious plan. With limited resources, they decided to transform their own living space into makeshift lodging, offering air mattresses and breakfast to conference attendees. With a stroke of entrepreneurial brilliance, they launched a rudimentary website called Air Bed and Breakfast. Their initial idea was to provide an alternative to traditional hotels, offering travelers a unique and affordable experience by renting air mattresses in their living room. The response to their unconventional approach was both unexpected and inspiring. 3 adventurous guests took them up on their offer, proving that there was indeed a demand for affordable and unconventional accommodations. Encouraged by this early success, Brian, Joe, and Nathan realized they had stumbled upon something far greater than they could have imagined. Recognizing the potential to revolutionize the way people traveled, the trio decided to expand their vision beyond air mattresses. They sought to create a platform that would connect hosts with travelers, enabling them to share their homes, spare rooms, or even entire apartments. This marked the birth of Airbnb as we know it today. As Airbnb solidified its presence in the travel and hospitality industry, the platform entered a phase of rapid evolution and expansion. The years between 2010 and 2013 witnessed significant milestones that propelled Airbnb towards becoming a global phenomenon. One of the key factors contributing to Airbnb's growth was its relentless focus on user experience. The founders recognized that building trust and enhancing the quality of listings were crucial to attracting more hosts and guests. They invested in improving the platform's design, functionality, and user interface, making it more intuitive and appealing to users. During this period, Airbnb also ventured into new markets and expanded its reach to major cities and popular travel destinations worldwide. By strategically targeting urban areas with high demand for accommodations, the platform ensured a steady influx of listings and availability for travelers. To cater to a broader range of traveler preference, Airbnb introduced new categories of listings beyond traditional homes and apartments. Unique and unconventional accommodations such as tree houses, houseboats, and even castles were added to the platform, offering guests unparalleled choices and memorable experiences. In addition to expanding its inventory, Airbnb sought to enhance the overall travel experience by introducing additional features. In 2011, the company launched Airbnb Experiences, allowing hosts to offer guided tours, workshops, and immersive activities that showcase the local culture and hidden gems of their respective destinations. This move not only enriched the travel experience, but also provided hosts with additional revenue streams. As Airbnb gained momentum, it encountered various regulatory challenges and legal hurdles. Some cities, concerned about the impact on local housing markets and hotel industries, imposed restrictions and regulations on short-term rentals. Critics argued that Airbnb's rapid growth contributed to rising housing costs and decreased the availability of long-term rentals. To navigate these challenges, Airbnb engaged in discussions and collaborations with governments and local authorities. The company aimed to find a balance between supporting responsible homesharing and addressing concerns about housing affordability and community impacts. This led to the implementation of initiatives such as the Airbnb host registration program, where hosts were required to comply with local regulations and demonstrate their commitment to responsible hosting practices. Amidst its expansion and regulatory battles, Airbnb continued to innovate and improve its services. It leveraged data analytics and machine learning to optimize search results, personalized recommendations, and pricing strategies. These technological advancements not only benefited guests in finding suitable accommodations, but also enabled hosts to maximize their earning potential. By 2013, Airbnb had achieved remarkable milestones. It had listings in over 34,000 cities across the globe, connecting millions of travelers with unique accommodations and experiences. The company's valuation soared to billions of dollars, solidifying its position as a disruptive force in the travel industry. With its foundation firmly established, Airbnb entered a new phase of becoming a global hospitality powerhouse. From 2014 onwards, the company focused on consolidating its position, expanding its services, and diversifying its offerings. To target different segments of the travel market, Airbnb launched Airbnb for Business, catering to corporate travelers, and introduced Airbnb Plus, offering a curated selection of high-quality listings. The company also embraced boutique hotels and professional hosts, broadening its inventory. Airbnb expanded its community-driven tourism concept with the launch of experiences, allowing locals to offer unique activities and tours. The company also emphasized community engagement through the Airbnb Community Center, fostering interactions among hosts, guests, and local communities. Regulation and taxation remained ongoing challenges for Airbnb, with cities implementing stricter rules. The company cooperated with local authorities, implemented compliance tools, and addressed concerns regarding housing affordability and community impact. Airbnb dedicated efforts to foster inclusion and diversity, addressing issues of discrimination and bias in host acceptance through policies and anti-bias training. Today, Airbnb is a household name, offering millions of listings in over 100,000 cities worldwide. The company's valuation has soared, solidifying its transformative status in the travel industry. As Airbnb continues to evolve, it faces opportunities and challenges. Balancing growth with responsible practices remains an ongoing endeavor. Leveraging technology, fostering partnerships, and embracing innovation, Airbnb aims to shape the future of travel while providing memorable experiences for guests. While Airbnb has experienced significant success and disrupted the travel industry, it has also faced a fair share of controversies and criticisms. As we explore the darker side of Airbnb, it is important to note that these instances do not represent the entirety of the platform's operations, but rather highlight some of the challenges it has encountered. One of the major concerns associated with Airbnb is the impact on housing affordability. Critics argue that the proliferation of short-term rentals has contributed to housing shortages in popular cities, driving up rental prices and making it increasingly difficult for local residents to find affordable long-term housing. While Airbnb has implemented measures to address this issue, such as setting limits on the number of nights a property can be rented, the impact on housing markets remains a contentious topic. Safety and security have been recurring points of contention. Critics claim that the platform lacks adequate safeguards to ensure the well-being of both hosts and guests. Incidents of property damage, theft, and even assault have been reported, leading to calls for stricter security measures and greater accountability from Airbnb. Discrimination has also been a prominent issue within the Airbnb community. Despite the company's efforts to combat discrimination and promote inclusion, reports of hosts rejecting guests based on their race, ethnicity, or other discriminatory factors have surfaced. These instances highlight the need for continued vigilance and proactive measures to address discrimination within the platform. Furthermore, there have been cases where listings on Airbnb have been found to be misleading or fraudulent. Guests have arrived at properties that did not match the descriptions or photos provided, leading to disappointment and frustration. While Airbnb has implemented measures to address these issues, such as verification processes and guest reviews, the occasional presence of misleading listings undermines trust in the platform. Airbnb's relationship with local governments and regulatory bodies has been a contentious issue as well. Some jurisdictions have imposed strict regulations and levied fines on hosts for violating local laws regarding short-term rentals. This has led to legal battles and strained relationships between Airbnb and certain cities, further highlighting the challenges of operating within a complex regulatory landscape. It is important to remember that these negative aspects represent a fraction of the experiences within the vast Airbnb ecosystem. The majority of hosts and guests have positive and enriching experiences, enjoying the unique accommodations and opportunities for cultural exchange that the platform provides. As we conclude our exploration of Airbnb, it is crucial to acknowledge the complexities that come with disrupting an industry and operating on a global scale. The controversies and criticisms serve as reminders that continuous efforts must be made to address concerns, ensure responsible practices, and strike a balance between innovation and the well-being of communities and individuals. The story of Airbnb is one of tremendous growth and disruption in the travel industry. While the platform has revolutionized the way people travel and connect, it has also faced controversies and criticisms. Concerns about housing affordability, community impact, safety, discrimination, and misleading listings have arisen. Airbnb has taken steps to address these issues, but challenges remain. As we reflect on Airbnb's journey, it is crucial to acknowledge both the positive impact and the challenges it has faced. By understanding the complexities, we can engage in discussions about responsible travel and the future of the sharing economy. The story of Airbnb is a reminder of the need for continuous improvement and responsible practices in the pursuit of a more inclusive and sustainable travel ecosystem.